friend. Why are you so dirty? Well, looks like we need to clean you up. And I just happen to know 3 different ways that you can clean your Scrub Daddy and most other Scrub Daddy products. Hi, I'm Christopher Joyce, and I'm here to answer all the questions that you may have about Scrub Daddy products. And today, I'm a man with a plan with a dirty pan. You're probably wondering, once I've used my Scrub Daddy, how do I clean my Scrub Daddy? Well, let me show you. First of all, you're going to use your Scrub Daddy to pick up messes, just like I am on this countertop, use it to scrub. And then you're saying, well, how do I clean my Scrub Daddy now that my countertop is clean? Well, here are 2 different techniques you can do with your hands to clean your scrubber. Technique number 1, place your Scrub Daddy in the palm of your hand, make a tight fist and release, repeating as needed. Doing so, in effect, flushes the foam's pores of small debris. Technique number 2, hold either side of your Scrub Daddy and move your hands in a back and forth motion. This really helps when the foam is coated in something. If it's grease you're trying to remove, add a mild dish soap. So another thing to know is that your Scrub Daddies, they are microwavable safe. Dampen the foam and microwave no longer than 60 seconds. We wouldn't want him to get all hot and bothered. So as you saw, the first and easiest way to clean your Scrub Daddy products is to simply run them under the tap. But sometimes it takes more than that. So follow me. We're going to the dishwasher. Come along. So we just showed you 2 techniques on how you can clean your Scrub Daddies and your Scrub Mommies when you're rinsing them under the tap. But did you know they're dishwasher safe? Just place them in the top rack of your dishwasher. Use your regular detergent, and you can wash your dishes and your Scrub Daddies at the same time. So we're often asked, what can I do with those Scrub Mommies and Scrub Daddies that are starting to look old and tired? So over time, your scrubbers will lose their elasticity, making it more difficult for them to rinse clean. But no fret, there's going to be plenty of uses for your old scrubbers. Use them on your hardwood floors, outside windows, living room furniture, dirty shoes, pet bowls, the exterior of your grill, or maybe put them in the garage for auto applications, or even your hot tub. There are all sorts of uses to extend your Scrub Daddy's and Scrub Mommy's life. So we have a question for you. What's your favorite method to clean your Scrub Daddies and Scrub Mommies? Leave your answers in the comments. And if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments as well, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Happy cleaning!